prepare the pan, first we'll take a napkin and a little bit of margarine or butter and rub the sides of the pan like this, all the way around. Not too thick, not too thin. There's no need to rub the margarine on the bottom, just on the sides. Okay, and then you can pour your crumbs right into the pan. Next, you'll need a glass or a cup or something that has fairly straight sides and a flat bottom. So I like this one. And just spread the crumbs around, and with your fingers push them a little bit up the sides. You only have to go almost up to the top. You don't have to go all the way up to the top. And push that along the side, but make sure that it's even all the way around. And then evenly spread along the bottom, whatever's left. And then you can use your flat bottom cup to push. And you want to push very firmly to compact those crumbs. And you push, and then also push along the side to really compact the crumbs to make a nice cookie crust. Then we'll be baking this in a 375-degree oven for about 8 minutes. Okay, just set this aside to cool until we've made our mousse.